In this video, I'll show you how to set up Hostinger business email. Start by signing into your Hostinger account and opening the email section from your dashboard. If you haven't purchased a business email plan yet, choose a plan and complete the setup. Next, select the domain you want to use for your business email. If your domain is already connected to Hostinger, you can continue with the email setup. After that, click Create Email Account. Enter the email address you want to create, such as info@yourdomain.com, meltoinfo@yourdomain.com, or support@yourdomain.com, meltosupport@yourdomain.com, then create a strong password and save your changes. Now wait a few moments while Hostinger finishes creating the mailbox. Once it's ready, open the email account to verify that everything has been set up successfully. Next, access your mailbox through Hostinger webmail, or connect your email account to an email client like Outlook, Apple Mail, or Gmail by using the IMAP and SMTP settings provided by Hostinger. Once everything is configured, send a test email to another address and reply to it to make sure you can both send and receive messages without any issues. Finally, create additional email accounts for your team if needed and manage them from the emails section of your Hostinger dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Hostinger business email. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.